everyone. Welcome to our course, Biology in the Age of Technology. I will be your instructor this semester. My name is Laura Abondano. I am originally from Colombia, and I've been teaching with Project Dragonfly over the last 3 years or so, and I'm super excited to teach this course. I feel like it has a lot of the things that I integrate a lot into my research when I am not. So right now I'm here in Oxford, Ohio. Actually get to see the campus of Miami University around me. But when I'm not here, usually in the summer, sometimes I go to do field work in South America, usually either in Ecuador or Peru. And that's where lately we've been using a lot of technologies in the field that have been really useful for our research in biodiversity conservation. So for example, similar to some of the articles in that Manga Bay website that we're talking about, the use of camera traps, the use of passive acoustic monitoring, and integrating that with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Something that we've been doing in the field recently, for example, is setting up these camera traps and also these kind of like recorders that are kind of like monitoring sounds all the time. And then you can put those hours and hours of audio recordings, or those hundreds, thousands of images from camera traps, and then use machine learning or artificial intelligence technologies basically to kind of like sift through all of that and try and find kind of like which species are present in these forests based on those acoustic kind of recordings or using the camera traps. So that has been really valuable for us. We are kind of like researching in a new site where we don't know what's in there. So the first step is just try to identify which species are in that site and then finding strategies to protect them. But again, that first step sounds easy, but it's more complicated than it sounds. And using these technologies can really assist us in kind of like identifying which are those species that are present in these forests of Peru. I think these technologies are amazing. We also need to be very careful. You know, like people can also be using these technologies to kind of like find places where they can kind of like poach or kind of like extract some animals from the forest. So as scientists, researchers, and conservationists, I think it's also our responsibility to be using these technologies in the most responsible way, understanding both the positive aspects of it and how it can inform us about biodiversity, but also being very careful given the potential implications that these technologies might have on wildlife itself. So anyways, that's one of the ways that, for example, I've been using technology in my own research. I'm a primatologist by training, so I've been working with spider monkeys, woolly monkeys, and other primates, primarily in Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. But I'm really interested to hear and learn with all of you this semester on the different ways that you have used technologies, the ways you've been interested in using technologies for biodiversity conservation. And anyway, I'm just looking forward to working with you all this semester.